Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. All of that depends on what time you woke up this morning, afternoon, or this evening and decide to do some work. This is Miss Afeku, also known as Miss A, and welcome to your flipped classroom experience due to inclement weather. Um, so let's jump straight to the point. A lot of you guys have questions about this particular sheet in your Unit 1 packet. As you can see, I filled out um, the boxes. However, um, this is for an example. I know you will have to explain the autopsy of ancient Egypt. However, don't copy me, please, like word for word. All right, so if you don't know what an autopsy is, it's basically the cause of death. Um, you have doctors who basically see how a person passed away. And as you see in these boxes, you have symptoms of illness, final cause of death, replacements in areas impacted. So I decided to just do ancient Egypt so we all can be on the same page. Symptoms of illness. In my box, I decided to put military weakness. That would be a symptom of illness. That's like when you know something's not right, like, okay, the army is not up to par, which means guess what? Outside invaders are going to be able to come in as they please and do what they want to do with this particular kingdom. Okay? With stating that, let's look at what I have. Military weakness. Egypt lacked the ability to obtain certain metals which would allow them to create weapons. Basically, no weapons equal a weak kingdom. So you have, let's say, Persia. They have access to metals, which can create weapons. Egypt don't have that. What do you think's gonna happen? Exactly. Let's look to the right. Final cause of death, invaded by Persia. Time of death. That will be the name of the name, not the name, but name the year the Egyptian kingdom ended. Does that make sense? So it will be something something BCE or BC, whatever your research allows you to find. Scroll down. Replacements. So what happened? After the ancient Egypt kingdom ended, what happened? You have the Persian Empire extended. Explain. Even though I didn't explain here, I just want you to explain. Go in detail what happened. So now we have the Persian Empire. Explain what happened when Persia was took over the ancient Egyptian kingdom. What did they bring? What were some new tactics? What were some new political strategies that they added to this kingdom? Areas impacted. To the left, you have where I place geographical locations. Be specific. What geographical locations were affected? We know ancient Egypt was split into Upper Egypt and Lower Egypt. Explain which um, geographical location was impacted. That's basically what it is. It's really easy. I know it's just a little different, but again, we are using your critical thinking skills. So hopefully that I was able to shed some light. You guys could finish my packet because I really believe like I'm going to work tomorrow, which means you're coming to school, and I will still give you the chapter 1 reading quiz, and I will still collect the unit 1 packet. Thank you for listening, and I hope I can be of assistance. Again, if you need help, feel free to text me and I will respond via text or video if it's too wordy. Um, and that's that. Have an awesome rest of your snow vacation. See y'all later. Bye.